Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 4 numbers up to 50. Yes, in last class which points we learned? Yes, in last class we discussed about before, after and in between numbers. Yes, is it correct? Yes. So in today's class we go through the first one point, that is comparing numbers. First one point is what? Comparing numbers. How to compare the number, which one is bigger, which one is smaller, just how to see here. To compare numbers we follow some rules. Okay, if you are comparing some numbers, means you have to follow some rules here. Rule first, a 2-digit number is always greater than a 1-digit number. Yes, first one rule is what? If 2-digit number is there, means that is always greater than 1 digit. For example, compare 32 and 9. Just see here, in 32, here in this 32, 2 digits are there, 1, 2. Yes, and 9, in this 9 only 1 digit is there. So which one is greater here? 32 is greater, because that is having 2 digit, that is 2-digit number. Yes, that is 2-digit number. So what is first one rule? A 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. Yes. Next, therefore 32 is greater than 9. This is the symbol of greater. You have to use like this. If that 2 lines towards the number, that means that number is greater than 9, and only if 1 line that is showing towards the 9, that means 9 is less than 32. So second one rule, just see second rule, rule 2. When we compare 2-digit numbers, always compare the digits in the tens place. Always compare the digits in the tens place first, and then compare the digits in the ones place. Just see here, first when we are comparing 2-digit numbers, means both are 2-digit numbers only. Yes, that time how to compare which number is bigger and which one is smaller? So that time we have to check it first tens place. Okay, in this number 24 tens place, which number is there? 2, and in number 36 tens place is 3. So 2 is greater or 3 is greater here? 3. So of course here number 36 is greater than 24. Yes. See here, when we comparing 2-digit numbers, always compare the digit in the tens place first, and then compare the digits in the ones place. Yes. For example, compare 24 and 36. Here 2 tens is smaller than 3 tens. Therefore, here 24 is smaller than 36. Or what is here? 36 is greater than, what is here? Greater than 24. Okay. Next, see here, third one rule. Rule 3. If the digits in the tens place are the same, we compare the digits in the ones place. If the digits in the tens place, just here in tens place here 3 is there, number 36, and in number 39 here also tens place number 3 is there. So then if the both the tens digits are same, then you have to go through the ones digit. Here ones digit is 6 and here ones digit is 9. So which one is greater, 6 or 9? 9. So of course this 39 is greater than 36, or 36 is smaller than 39. Just see here, if the digit in the tens place are the same, we compare the digits in the ones place. Yes, compare for example 36 and 39. Here 6 is smaller than ones, 9 ones. So therefore 36 is smaller than 39. So 36 is smaller than 39. So you have to like this, you have to compare the numbers. Compare the numbers. So next. Next one point is what? Ordering of numbers. First one point is what? Ordering of numbers. Just see here, first one is what? Increasing order. Increasing order means what? First, increasing order means numbers are arranged from smallest to the biggest. Okay, you are standing in prayer. How you are standing that time? You are standing first small children means height, whose height is small, they will stand first. Okay, you are standing height wise. First height, whose height is less, they will stand. Afterwards go through the bigger. Okay, so like that only the increasing order means what? Numbers also you have to arrange how to smallest to biggest. Numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. That is what? Increasing order. Yes. Here remember, just see if two numbers are same, then use here equal symbol is used, which means equal to. This is the what? That is what? Symbol of equal. Okay, just see, this is the symbol of equal. If two numbers are same means you have to use this symbol equal. Okay, and how to read this is equal to. Yes. So next one, just see here, look at these numbers. They are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Yes, here numbers are arranged from smallest to the biggest. Just see smallest. First you have to start from smallest. Number 21, 27 and 33 is there. Okay, in these three numbers which one is smaller here? Number 21. So written here first number is 21. Next 27 and 33 remains. In these two numbers which one is smaller here? 27. So write next number here 27 and last number is 33. Now see here, these numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. Yes. The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the biggest is known as increasing order of numbers. The arrangement of numbers from smallest to the biggest is known as increasing order of numbers. Understood? Yes. Next point is what? Decreasing order. Next one point is decreasing order. Just see. Look at these numbers. They are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. Look at these numbers. They are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. Yes. See here. First you have to write bigger number and last you have to write smaller number. Just see. Number 42, 36 and 12 is there. In these three numbers which one is bigger here? Number 42. So write first number is 42. So next one is 36 and last number is 12. So now how these numbers are arranged here? Biggest to the smallest. Yes. The arrangement of numbers from the biggest to the smallest is known as decreasing order of numbers. Yes, the arrangement of numbers from the biggest to the smallest is known as decreasing order of numbers. Understood? Increasing order means what? Numbers are arranged from smallest to the biggest. Yes, small to big. And in decreasing order means what? Numbers are arranged from biggest to the smallest. Yes, I hope you understood. increasing order and decreasing order. Yes, till today I will stop here only, and the remaining part I will continue in the next class. Okay, bye, take care.